Alright, so HTML format ends with new line. It just ends with a new line or not, and false is actually the default value, but I find that it's more useful if you set this to true. So what's the deal with the new line? If we save this again and I have format on save, so if I save it's going to trigger a format, it inserts this new line. So why is this useful? For two reasons. First of all, a definition of a line is a sequence of 0 or more characters that end in a new line. So if this line right here doesn't have this new line, technically it's not a line. It doesn't fit the correct definition. Also, when you are concatenating files, I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter for HTML unless you're using templates, but when you are concatenating files, if you don't have this new line right here, the concatenation may fail. So this is actually more obvious with JavaScript. So let's say you have, for example, this file right here, and you actually end this file with a comment for some reason, and you don't have that new line, right? When you concatenate this file with some other file, that code is gonna come here. You know, just inventing some code. So let's say this code right here is in another file, and this was actually supposed to be here, but because you don't have a new line, it's interpreted as a comment, and this is a problem, right? So this is why we should always leave a new line at the end of our files. So I'm gonna leave this option. I'm gonna change from its default value of false to true.